The yoik is a tool that you can use to connect with nature, to connect with yourself, and connect with your ancestors, connect with the environment around you. And I met quite a few people who have just learned that they have Sami blood and they want to learn more about their Sami background, and they are asking me about the yoik. I think it's a really good idea to learn the yoiking when you're trying to learn about the Sami culture. My experience with yoiking is I connected directly with my ancestors when I started yoiking. So I would understand so much more about the Sami culture when I learned what the yoik actually is. And I think it's an excellent idea to start to learn about yoik and to start to practice yoiking. Because the yoiking is a very spiritual practice, actually. A lot of people maybe think about yoik as music, like entertainment, but it's actually so much more than that. It's a very spiritual practice. So what you're doing, you're learning about, you're just going straight into the core of the Sami culture, the Sami spirituality when you're learning the yoik. The concept of yoiking is not actually unique for Sami because a lot of indigenous people have the same concept as yoiking. For example, in the Amazonas, they have something called Icaros. It's the same concept, but it sounds different. So the Sami sound and an expression is unique, but the concept of yoiking is not unique because the yoiking is connected to the nature. So the nature in Amazonas and the nature in Sami are not the same. So they will come out in a different expression. But the concept is the same, that you are expressing the nature around you. So that's why it would sound different in Amazonas than in Sami. During the Corona times, we made an online yoik course. There is a free course called Significant Things to Know About Yoik. You will also learn how to practice yoiking with respect to the Sami people.